Hello, in this video I am going to explain the UART communication between the two microcontrollers. So in particular, this is MSA 430, MSA 430 G2ET, and this is another microcontroller. In between these two microcontrollers, the communication is established using UART protocol. So let us say this is UART1 and this is UART2. Alright, so this UART2, for this UART2 the separate program is written using energy development tool. So this is a program written for this. In this program, whenever this push button is pressed, this LED goes low, and this microcontroller will send a bit 1 to this UART2 microcontroller. So that we can see this microcontroller is connected to this particular UART. So UART, that's a COM port. For COM port, this microcontroller is connected through USB, and whenever this program is loaded into this microcontroller, and since that it is connected to COM port, so let us take COM port 4, right? So whenever see, if this button is not pressed, it is generating 0 and send it to this microcontroller, and whenever this button is pressed, it will send 1 to this microcontroller. So let us check that how the communication is established. So let me power up this second microcontroller. Yeah, see now it is taking time to activate the port, since this laptop is supposed to distinguish port for these two microcontroller. Disabled, it is taking time. So yeah, okay. So whenever I press this button, it generates 1 and send it to this another microcontroller. Let us say slave, and this is a master. So this master is sending the data to this slave. So whenever I press this button, the program is written for this in such a way that whenever the button is released, it turn on this LED, and whenever at the same time this will be sending 0 to this microcontroller through transmitter pin, and which is connected to the receiver, and whenever I press the button, it will generate a 1. This LED will go slow, and it will send 1 to this microcontroller. So upon receiving a 1, it will turn on the LED on this microcontroller. So when I release it, it will turn on this LED and it will send 0. So that you can observe over here. And this port, UART port, you can see from here, from the COM port 4. Since this device is connected to COM port 4, you can see whatever the data it is this microcontroller is receiving from this microcontroller, that you can see over here. This is a UART of this microcontroller. So since this button is not pressed, it is sending 0. Whenever I press this, so this microcontroller receiving 1 from this microcontroller. So the program which is written for this slave program device is shown over here. So you can see here, this is the program which is written for this microcontroller. Thank you.